But the key highlight about this handset is the 13 megapixel autofocus camera packed on the rear. And this camera comes with 3x optical zoom. This is the world's thinnest 3x optical zoom smartphone camera that makes use of 10-element Hoya lenses. With this camera you can easily zoom in without the loss of any picture quality. And the handset is also not really that bulky. Zenfone Zoom also comes with dedicated buttons to instantly click or record images, and you can also use the volume rocker to zoom in and zoom out. The back panel has got this leather type finishing. This handset sports a 5.5-inch screen with Full HD resolution, and it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 4 protection. Viewing angles are pretty good. The back panel can be removed. This is a single SIM handset. You need a micro SIM, and there is a micro SD card slot too. Battery of 3000 mAh capacity comes built in, and fast charging is supported. This handset is powered by Intel Atom Z3590 2.5 GHz quad-core processor. It's coupled with PowerVR G6430 GPU. Running Android Lollipop with these sensors: accelerometer, light proximity, magnetic gyro, and Hall sensor. There is a good 128 GB of internal storage space. You will get around 112 GB free space, and of the 4 GB RAM you will get around 1.8 GB free on the first boot. Here is the box pack, and inside you will find the Zoom data cable, fast charger. This is 9 volt 2 amp, user guide, warranty card. You also get this hand strap that you can attach it to the handset. This will help secure the handset. And the final content is this premium quality earphone. You also get some earplug caps. Here is the handset, the Asus Zenfone Zoom. It is comfortable to hold, but it's a bit bulky because of the dimensions. And the camera on the rear. Weight with battery is 202 grams, and it is 12.04 mm thick. Power button and volume rocker are placed on the right side. You can use the volume rocker to zoom in and zoom out. Audio jack is placed on the top along with the secondary mic. At the bottom there is a micro USB port along with the primary mic, and this is the speaker out vent on the rear side. And here is the camera, the 13 megapixel with 3x optical zoom and 9x digital zoom, a total of 12x zoom. These are the dedicated buttons specially made to work with the camera. This handset is running Zen UI based on Android Lollipop. Color reproduction is very good, touch is smooth and responsive. Laser Ruler is an interesting app. This handset comes with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and also NFC. You can set up the color temperature as per your need. Off-screen and on-screen gestures are supported. You can also use the one-hand mode operation, and here is the battery modes available. By default it is set to the normal mode. Easy and kids mode are also available. Hindi language along with some other Indian regional languages are supported, as you can see here. 4G is working. I am using Airtel 2300 band. There is LED notification and OTG is supported. I am able to access the contents of this OTG pen drive. But anyway, there is plenty of internal storage space. Here is the camera interface. It's an autofocus camera that makes use of laser for a faster and precise focus. An interesting thing to notice is that when you're using the zoom functions, the camera module does not move. You can use 3x optical zoom and 9x digital zoom. In total, you get around 12x zoom, but it's better to stick with the optical zoom. The interface is similar to as seen on the other Zenfone models, and here are the different modes available. Rear camera is 13 megapixel. There is optical image stabilization. You can also enable or disable digital zoom. Rear camera can shoot Full HD videos, and you also have the video stabilization option, but when you enable that, you can shoot videos in 720p resolution only. Front camera is a 5 megapixel shooter. In manual mode, you get similar kind of controls as seen on the DSLR cameras. 32-second exposure. You can switch to manual focus mode, also control the white balance. Here is the white balance options with minute controls. Here is the max ISO supported 3200. These are the sample images I shot using this handset. For more sample images and videos, do visit my website. The link is mentioned in the description section below. Camera quality is awesome, and with manual controls you get near about DSLR kind of experience. Let's use this button. When the screen is off, press and hold this button for few seconds to directly unlock and load the camera application. Press the button again to instantly shoot an image. You can do the same with this tiny circular button. Press and hold. It will load the camera application. Press again and it will automatically start the video recording. So the big button is for capturing images and the tiny button is for video recording. Press the button slightly to focus and then press it all the way down to click the image. And now let's check out how the hardware performs, and before that we'll note down the battery temperature. It is at 38 degrees. While running the benchmark application, I got this message to switch to performance mode. I'm going to switch to that mode. And quadrant benchmark score is 24164. AnTuTu score 64-bit for the first time was 61081. This is in performance mode. Battery temperature is at a good 38 degrees. Second time the score was 59934. Battery temperature is at 39 degrees. Good enough. Nina Mark II is at 59.7 FPS, and this handset supports 10-point multi-touch. After 18 minutes, the battery dropped by 8% and the temperature is 38 degrees. I am now going to shift to normal mode. Apps are getting installed on the external storage. I have installed the Asphalt 8 and I am going to play this in the high visual quality mode. The game is playable, very smooth, and I did not find it lagging. I played this game for about 20 minutes, battery dropped by 10% and the temperature has increased to 41 degrees. Asus Zenfone Zoom is a premium and powerful handset. Performance is smooth and the heat up is well under control. The maximum temperature I encountered was 41 degrees. The 3x zoom is awesome and so is the camera quality. This handset can play 4K videos, and when it comes to the battery performance, you can expect about 3 to 5 hours of continuous moderate to heavy usage on a single charge. The Asus Zenfone Zoom is an amazing handset but really pricey at Rs 37,999. For more details and sample images, visit my website. The link is mentioned in the description section below.